Welcome to AutoSheet. In this video, we are going to see how you can hide and unhide row using AppScript. So for this, we are going to hide all of the rows which is empty. So for this, we'll click on extension, go to AppScript, and let me rename this. Okay. So first we'll take a function, call this hide and hide. Variable sheet this get sheet get range. It would be from A2 to A and variable values range dot get values. So now we have to use for loop. For loop is to check each rows which are empty or contain something. So use for loop for dot length and use if condition. If values is first we take empty and sheet, then sheet right rows row else show rows. So we have created this function and let me run this. See, it hide all of that which is empty. So what if I want to hide a specific number? So if something, let's say we want to hide which contained A, okay, so here if I type A, So it will hide all of the rows which contain A. See? So this is how you can hide and unhide sheets in AppScript. So thanks for watching this. I hope this will help you.